Hello, everyone! As you know, I only share what really works for you. After seeing all the hype surrounding Canna Plus CBD Gummies, I confess I was curious. I did a lot of research, read reviews, analyzed the formula, and today I'm going to tell you all. Are these gummies really worth the investment? For those who don't know me yet, I'm Suzanne, and in this video, I'll explain everything simply and to the point. So, pay close attention and stick with me until the end. It could save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. First of all, an important note. Canna Plus gummies are not sold in pharmacies or on websites like Amazon or eBay. So stay with me to find out where to buy Canna Plus safely if this sounds like you and you want to try it. So, what is Canna Plus and does it really work? The answer is YES. Canna Plus has already helped thousands of users and it can work for you too. After extensive research, the developers of Canna Plus created a natural CBD formula in gummy form, designed to support pain relief, relaxation, sleep quality, and emotional balance, all without any psychoactive effects. The ingredients include broad-spectrum CBD, approximately 27 milligrams per gummy, along with natural fruit extracts, vegan pectin, and organic sweeteners. These gummies interact with your body's endocannabinoid system, ECS, a key regulator of sleep, mood, inflammation, and stress response. And the best part? They're THC-free, non-habit forming, and 100% legal in the UK and US. So yes, you can trust this product, as long as you understand how it works and follow the usage instructions correctly. Many people are reporting great results with Canna Plus, and you can too. Users say they're finally able to sleep better, reduce chronic pain, and feel more relaxed in their day-to-day life. However, it's important to remember that everyone's body reacts differently. I know it seems obvious, but it's worth mentioning so you can have realistic expectations about your experience. There's one very important thing you need to know before purchasing this product. You can try Canna Plus gummies for 60 days, and if you're not satisfied for any reason, you can get your money back. This is a real guarantee, showing the company's confidence in the product and commitment to customer satisfaction. But remember, for Canna Plus to work well, you need to use it daily, as directed. CBD works best when used consistently, so don't skip days or expect overnight miracles. Most people report noticeable changes after a few weeks of consistent use.
It's also important to know that Canna Plus is natural, vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, and contains no THC, which means no high and no side effects for most users.
Remember how I mentioned at the beginning where not to buy the original Canna Plus? Due to high demand, many people are receiving counterfeit versions of CBD gummies. This can seriously harm your health, waste your money, and prevent you from getting the relief you're looking for. So buy only from the official website to ensure you receive the original lab-tested formula. To help, I've included the official link in the description of this video. So everyone, I recorded this video because when I first looked into Canna Plus, I couldn't find any honest reviews that gave me real confidence. And I also wanted to warn you, be careful where you buy from. If you decide to try it, follow the treatment plan exactly and take it seriously. Your results will depend on your body, your habits, and how consistently you use the product. I sincerely hope Canna Plus helps improve your well-being, just as it has already helped thousands of people around the world. See you next time, everyone!